We're now seeing the objects exactly as they were photographed. Comprehensive analysis has eliminated meteors. Their form is circular and sometimes elliptical. This fits the commonly used flying saucer description.
Hey, what's going on, people? This is your boy Say1 History from the Awaken Show, and I thought I would take a step back from the UFO footage. And to be completely honest, the reason I'm taking a step back on it is because there's not a lot of it out there, at least right now. So I was reading this article, and I read it about a week ago, and I said that would be interesting to actually read. So I took a look at it, and from the actual title itself, it was really interesting. It says, Interstellar Travel Breakthrough, New Material to Speed Spacecraft. And I thought to myself, you know, when ufologists hear this, they're going to say, man, finally there's something out there that can let us travel beyond the cosmos and see what's really going on in the universe. And not quite. and the reason I say not quite, because there's still a lot of kinks that they actually need to work out. And I'm going to actually go ahead and read this article to you so you can actually get the details and understand exactly what's going on and where they're at. So it says, before man can cross the vast distance of space, the designs of spacecraft cells will be key, striking a delicate balance between mass, strength, and reflectivity. Working with NASA California Institute of Technology, Caltech, scientists have created the new material out of silicon and its oxide silica. The team has figured out the super thin structures made of this composite can transform infrared light waves into a momentum that would accelerate a probe to 134 million miles per hour, you guys. 134 million miles per hour. That's crazy. It says, speeds like this can carry a small probe to our closest stellar neighbors, a huddle of stars called Proxima Centauri, within decades rather than millennia here. And then it goes on to say, astronomers' speeds required to cover big distances in relatively short amounts of time. Unlikely chunky air molecules, light doesn't have a resting mass, so it doesn't blow in the same way wind does. But flying photons still pack a punch by exerting pressure via their momentum, according to Maxwell's equations on electromagnetic radiation. Now, as I scroll down a little bit, it says, the idea is to use a laser to coherently shoot a stream of photons at infrared wavelengths at a light net or cell attached to a spaceship. Even for a small object, that would mean casting a big cell, which in turn means adding more mass. So this cell needs to be as light as possible, which could make it prone to easy damage. Now, so this is basically what's happening. They're saying that they're going to fire protons at this massive supercell. It would have to be somewhere in the size of a football field for them to actually do that. But the catch is that this cell has to be extremely thin. It's like basically like a wet paper napkin. It would have to be that thin and probably thinner. But when you're dealing with the vastness of space and all the asteroids that are out there, you know, they're trying to figure out how to actually protect this really thin, extremely sensitive cell here. And they're working on that as we speak. So in theory, they can actually sell the cosmos as it is right now at 100 million miles per hour. But the likelihood of them ever actually getting anywhere is very slim, just because there's so much space debris out there right now, and it would just tear it to pieces in a matter of seconds. So until they find something that could potentially cover the cell or make it stronger, unfortunately, guys, we're stuck in what do they call it, inner orbit here, or low orbit space here. So that's all I have for you today. I wanted to go ahead and shoot that at you guys, bring it to your attention, let you know where we're at, let you know where the technology is at. And if you have any questions, definitely drop me an email. You can actually reach me at theawakenshow@gmail.com. And if you want to be a part of the group on Facebook, you can definitely do that too. Go on Facebook, search in groups, and you can look for us at The Awaken Show. I appreciate you guys watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much, you guys. Enjoy your day, enjoy your weekend, enjoy your Monday coming up tomorrow, because it is right around the corner. Thank you, and have a great day. Take care.
You are now seeing the objects exactly as they were photographed. Comprehensive analysis has eliminated meteors. Their form is circular and sometimes elliptical. This fits the commonly used flying saucer.